How to add relationship with someone on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add relationship with someone on your Facebook. So first of all, go to your Facebook account and then go to your profile. Now, in order to add a relationship with someone, simply tap on edit public details. Now scroll all the way down and then tap on edit your about info. Now it will take you to this page where you'll have to scroll down, and right over there you'll see an option named relationship. So simply tap on add relationship and now select your relationship status. So if you are single, simply tap on single, but if you want to add a relationship where you want to say that you have been married with someone, simply tap on married. After that you can also tag the person, and now once you've tagged the person, simply you can also select the year which you were married or engaged or something like that. You can choose the year. After that, if you want, you can also choose the month, and finally if you want, you can also choose the day of which you were married. And now once you've done all of these, you can set your relationship to public, your friends, only me, and your custom list. So if you want to make your relationship status public where anyone can see your relationship status, simply choose public or your friends. And if you don't want anyone to see your relationship status, simply tap on only me. And that is basically how you add a relationship with someone on Facebook. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.